Well, we just got to Baranof Island. Forget exactly what the bay is called, but it's absolutely gorgeous here, and we're gonna go check out the hot springs. Check this out. It's so gorgeous here. Maybe not. I can't do it one-handed like you. I was trying to videotape it and get you.
Pump this thing up.
Onward hot springs, yo. Is that beautiful sight? My two favorite loves right there, one shot.
These are bathhouses right there.
Or we can walk into the hills and go to the natural pools, or
Yeah, let's go up there. These ones look like they might not be so good to use anymore.
hanging on right there. Super cool. Welcome. It's pretty amazing. I don't know what else. I don't have the vocabulary to describe it all. Do you have another word other than amazing? Nathaniel?
Pretty awesome.
Typical Alaskan style. Gotta have them. It's the stairway to heaven, it looks like. Heaven being the hot springs. Just keeps going.
I'm not sure which way we should go. I think this is it because
Check this out. Free public bathhouse. 3 rooms with that beautiful view of the boat. How incredible. Is this the one you want?
Yep.
What do you think?
Sit here and stare at Junovia while we soak. I like it.
So crazy. Does it get better?
It's too hot.
It's a good complaint. So we already went to the bathhouse, and now we're going up a trail to find the natural hot springs along the river, and there's a lake up here too. Got a generator over there, a couple houses. You can hear the river in the great distance though. You can tell what? That it's warm, yeah.
Sulfur.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's awesome. Radical, tubular, bodacious.
I feel like we're gonna have to go in it.
A little longer than I expected. You expected, we expected. I did bring snacks and water. Not sure how long we were gonna be out here. As opposed to what we used to bring to hot springs, beer,
Check this out.
whichever one you wanna go on. Lots of mushrooms, actually. Oh, oh, yikes. Slick shoes. Slick wood, actually. It's a Tetris of boards to walk on. Oh man. That's so awesome. This is incredible. I guess it's really hot. And the bottom one is a little cooler, which we might go to.
Baranof Warm Springs was definitely one of the coolest places we'd been to in Alaska. I find it particularly sweet that these boardwalks are maintained as streets by the Bureau of Sitka and paid for by property taxes. The bathhouse is maintained by volunteers and paid for by donations and funds that are rounded up by the property owners here. And there's a public dock that's maintained by the Bureau of Sitka and paid for by moorage fees that are collected. Pretty sweet place to wind up. Come back next week to check out where we stumble into next. Thanks for watching.